step into a piece of history with this charming farmhouse nestled on 102 acres of picturesque farmland in Virginia. Fall in love with the rolling hills, serene streams, and a fully stocked pond, perfect for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. With recent updates including new tankless water heater, septic system, and HVAC system, this historic gem is ready for modern living. Enjoy breathtaking sunsets from the front porch and explore the surrounding countryside just 10 miles from Blackstone and 45 minutes from Richmond. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.